Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking down the network. Assign a static IP so clients find you reliably. This matters because DHCP addresses change. Once done, install a DNS daemon such as bind9 or dnsmask with your package manager because they handle authoritative and caching roles. Make sure your firewall allows port 53 TCP and UDP and that you have sudo rights to edit config files and start services. These steps get your laptop ready to act as a predictable DNS host. No fluff, just a stable foundation. You now create the actual mappings. Write a forward zone file with a CNAME records and a reverse zone for PTR records so clients resolve IP to name. Then edit named, conf or dnsmask. Conf to include those zones and add forwarders. Use your ISB or a public resolver like 8 so unknown queries resolve. After that, fix permissions on zone files and run syntax checks, such as namecheckconf and namecheckzone, to catch errors. This prevents runtime failures, and you finish by enabling and starting the DNS service, and configuring it to start on boot so the server stays available. Then, test extensively. Use dig and host for a PTR and recursive queries from local and remote clients to confirm correct answers. Make sure the laptop's resolver file points to your server for testing. If things go wrong, first check logs and SE Linux or AppArmor denials, then firewall and zone serial mismatches. That one troubleshooting tip often reveals misapplied edits or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.